from my house. Picked up another XL1200. It's a 99, identical to the one I have, to the one I rebuilt in previous video. No, it seems pretty solid. Just some guy lived up here on the lake. 800 bucks with the trailer. Needs cleaned off just like the last one. Nope, I'm gonna get it home, see what we got going on, check impression and stuff like that. But anyway, stay tuned for another rebuild video, boys. Let's get it. All right, boys, here it is. Not bad shape. Could use a good cleaning, but so I compression tested it. Well, all the gauges work. See that? But I compression tested it. This one's low. This one's got about 30. These got over 100 right here. So you can hear something down in there. I don't know if we can see it or not, but nope. We'll start getting this thing taken apart and see what we can find. Rowdy. Just got her all power washed. It don't look too bad. It's been sitting in the water, you can tell from the bottom. You can see that. It's all dirty from sitting in the water, but overall, it's not in bad shape. I'll get it cleaned up better later. I'll get some hull cleaner for the bottom. But no, looks pretty good. That's the new 1200. This is my other XL1200 that I rebuilt in a previous video. If you want to go watch that, I'll put the links to those in the description. But this thing, same exact thing, 99 1200, matching set, 99 1200, 99 1200. So that's pretty cool. Got the XP sitting here too. But no, stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing torn apart. We're gonna get this thing torn apart and see what's going on. I assume it's probably the crank again. It sounds like the piston's hitting the cylinder head, but we'll see. Maybe it's a power valve issue and just needs a top end. Anyway, stay tuned, brother. All right, so I've been working on this XL a little bit. This new XL I just got. I got all off. Exhaust is off. You can see that bad cylinder right there. So I'm about to pull the cylinder, and that's going to determine whether or not we need a full crank or just a top end. So let's find out. I'm about to pull her off. Okay. Cylinder. Looks like it's just been sitting, got some rust on it. Looks like I'll hone that out. We'll see about that cylinder. I can't tell if it's any good right now. Don't look like anything deep, but we'll see. Let's check this motor. Oh, she needs a crank. She is shot. Oh, the case is busted too. Solid. Alright. See all that metal in there. But alright, so that sucks. But hey, we'll get the parts order for this thing. Cases, crank, and piston kit. So it's hoping to just be a top end, but you know, it never goes like that. So anyway, get this stuff ordered, and I'll be back with a part 2. So anyway, stay tuned. PowerShift out, dog.